Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making some mango juice with mint and ginger. This is very good, and I'm also going to add some baobab powder, as you can see on this video. So first I peeled the mangoes and I cut them into small pieces. So now I'm going to blend them, and I'll not be showing you the process of blending, so you'll just see the end result. I have just added my mint leaves. Now I'm adding my baobab powder. This is very good. It's rich in vitamin C. You can try it. Yeah, and from here I'm going straight to blend everything. And now I'm done blending. Just putting it into my glasses. It was a very sweet juice. You can try it. It's very healthy. And thank you so much for watching up to this far. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll be happy to see you in my next video. Bye.